Good morning, all. Today, um, we all know that holidays are going to start from tomorrow. So, we have posted the holidays homework in your groups today, right? So, I'll just brief about how to go about that holidays homework. First of all, right? Let me show you the file. See, this is your holidays homework in which initially there are certain questions, right? So in all, we have 20 questions. These questions you have to write in the notebooks, right? And all these are from the books only, so you can refer the book and then write the answers straight away in the notebook, right? So questions are basically mix and match in which you will find very short, long categories, all categories. Okay. So all these are very important for exams also. They are, you must study them also, right? Write them in the notebook and go through these things. कि सारे questions exam point of view से बहुत important है,
सर
right?
फेयर नोटबुक क्या करना है हॉलीडे
Fair,
होमवर्क?
fair पे जो आपकी आईटी की नोटबुक है, do whatever you are doing, you'll do there. ठीक है? Plus we also have one project work. Now see, the project work has to be done in a practical file. So practical file you have to get from the market, right? And it is also available with the publisher which supplies the books to our school, AR publisher जो है, ठीक है? उनके contact numbers आप school से ले लेना. You can get the book from there. Book का preview इसके नीचे है. I'll show you the picture. This is the book, the practical book. It is a Candid Information Technology practical book for grade 9 and Evergreen publication की है ये. So kindly get it from wherever you feel like. अगर आप मार्केट से ले रहे हो मार्केट से ले लो, अगर आपको जो स्कूल का सप्लायर है उससे लेना है तो कॉन्टेक्ट नंबर इज अवेलेबल विद द स्कूल, यू कैन कॉन्टेक्ट देम, राइट? Now what are the tasks that we need to do there on the practical file? First of all, there's one question where you have to write 10 lines on the topic air pollution in Microsoft Word, right? And then certain features are to be followed. तो एयर पोल्यूशन पे आपको 10 लाइंस लिखनी है, राइट? एनी 10 लाइंस, राइट? The content doesn't matter. The important thing is that formatting features you apply properly. On the top you should have a heading. Heading होना चाहिए air pollution, right? And the font of this should be Cambria, font size 12, right? Color should be red. It should be bold as well as underlined. Then you write 10 lines below that. उन लाइंस का फॉन्ट होना चाहिए कैलिबरी, font size should be 12, font color should be blue, and then apply bullets and numbering features that we have done in classes also, right? So how will you write the things in the book? uh, you see, if you see the practical notebook, initially there are some pages where some content is there, printed content, जो chapter wise content है, जैसे आपकी बुक में है वैसे ही वहाँ पे भी है. After some pages you'll find there is one white page and one ruled page on every alternative pages. एक white है, एक ruled है. So on the white page you have to paste a screenshot of the MS Word file that you have created. ये जो formatting डाल के आपने जो MS फाइल बनाई उसकी स्क्रीनशॉट आपको वहां डालना है. स्क्रीनशॉट के लिए क्या करना है? यू कैन do the things on the computer, get a printout, right? Cut that printout and then paste it there, right? On the ruled page, the lines वाला जो पेज है उसके ऊपर आपको सारे स्टेप्स लिखने, आपने ये कैसे कैसे किया, right? If जैसे heading था, you type the heading, then go to which group, which tab, where you will find this Cambria. How do you change the font? How do you change the color? Right? How do you make it bold and underline? इनके steps लिखने हैं ruled area में, ठीक है? Similarly for the second part also, so for 10 lines that you write, उसका font कैसे change हुआ and how do you apply bullets and numbering features, write the steps in that, right? So two things you have to do. Now I want to add up one more thing, that if anybody is not having computers at home, or the printing problem is there, the printer is not available, so no need to worry about that. Even if you are not able to do it on computers, you just write the steps in the ruled area, white area को blank छोड़ दो. ठीक है, अगर कंप्यूटर्स नहीं है घर पे, या आपके आसपास में प्रिंट आउट की फैसिलिटी नहीं है, यू डोंट हैव प्रिंटर एट होम और अराउंड, then no need to panic, don't no need to put your parents in trouble. पेरेंट्स को किसी तरह की ट्रबल देने की जरूरत नहीं है. इफ यू आर नॉट एबल टू गेट दैट प्रिंट आउट, नो इशू, यू जस्ट राइट द स्टेप्स इन द रूल्ड एरिया, वाइट एरिया खाली छोड़ देना, राइट. But do mention there activity number 1, activity number 2 like that on the top as a heading. ठीक है, तो ये मैं दोबारा बोल रहा हूँ, अगर घर पे सिस्टम नहीं है, कंप्यूटर लैपटॉप नहीं है, या प्रिंटिंग की फैसिलिटी नहीं है, no need to worry that we can do at the end of the session also, right? We can do it later on also in the school after the vacations. But the thing is that ruled area, you can, that is to be written in hand. जो ruled, जो lines वाला पेज है, उसके ऊपर आपको स्टेप्स लिखने हैं, और वो इन हैंड लिखने हैं. ठीक है, उसमें कहीं कुछ टाइप कुछ नहीं करना है. दैट यू कैन डू डायरेक्टली. और अगर आप नहीं कर पा रहे हो, पेस्टिंग वाला ऑप्शन नहीं है, प्रिंटिंग फैसिलिटी नहीं है, देन यू कैन लीव दैट पार्ट. ठीक है, बट द थिंग इज इट हैज टू बी डन, बट इट कैन बी डन लेटर ऑन, बाद में कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, जब स्कूल वगैरह कहीं ओपन हो गए, वी कैन ट्राई इट आउट, और लेटर ऑन इफ यू फाइंड कि आपको कहीं मिल जाता है प्रिंट आउट का ऑप्शन, देन यू कैन डू दैट. सी, प्रैक्टिकल फाइल इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट बिकॉज इट कैरीज 10 मार्क्स इन द फाइनल एग्जाम्स. क्योंकि आपके आईटी के प्रैक्टिकल में 50 मार्क्स का प्रैक्टिकल होता है फाइनल में. उस 50 में से 10 नंबर इस फाइल के होते हैं, राइट. सो वी हैव टू मेंटेन दिस फाइल थ्रू आउट ईयर. सो वी हैव जस्ट स्टार्टेड विद द फर्स्ट चैप्टर, फर्स्ट प्रैक्टिकल चैप्टर. So after every chapter, we'll do certain 1 or 2 activities of each chapter in these practical files. So kindly get the file as early as possible, right? You can find the file in the market. If you can find in your local market, then there's no issue. Or if you are not finding it there, then you can consult the school authorities. They will provide the numbers of for the people who are basically supplying these practical files to the market. ठीक है. Then second question is, write the steps to run spell and check grammar check in a document. Now this is the activity given on page number 36 of the practical notebook. अगर आप practical notebook देखो, उसके page number 36 पे एक activity दी है. ठीक है, तो you have to refer to that practical activity. मैं आपको एक बार बता देता हूँ what is it basically. So on this page we have spelling and grammar check in Word 2016. Yes, 2016 based है, although book is based in 2010, but यहाँ पे 2016 है, but more or less features the same. So here we are written with how to run a spell and grammar check, and there are steps as well as there are certain screenshots. ठीक है, so इसमें आपको क्या करना है, again the steps are to be written in the ruled area, lined वाला area, and जो screenshots हैं, you can get a photocopy of this page, and then these screenshots can be pasted on the white area. ठीक है, इसमें screenshots बने हुए हैं. 3.5 is the activity number. It is on page number 36. ये आपको book refer करनी पड़ेगी. Practical book I'm talking about, not the textbook. Practical book का 3.5 activity, page number 36 है, spell and grammar check, right? Screenshots are there. There are 4 screenshots. So all 4 you can paste in the white area, and then steps you can write in the ruled part. ठीक है? So again I'm telling you the same thing, that if you don't have computers at home, and you are not able to do this spell, see there are 2 ways of doing this question. One is कि आप practical notebook उठाओ, इसमें से पेज नंबर 36 लो, उस पे आपके स्क्रीनशॉट्स अवेलेबल हैं, आप उन स्क्रीनशॉट्स को फोटोकॉपी करके पेस्ट कर दो और स्टेप्स को रूल्ड एरियाज में लिख दो. सेकेंड वे इज आप कंप्यूटर पे जाओ, गो टू द कंप्यूटर, गो टू द स्पेल एंड ग्रामर चेक ऑप्शन, टेक एनी डॉक्यूमेंट, कोई भी डॉक्यूमेंट उठा के उसमें स्पेल और ग्रामर चेक आपने कैसे लगाया, राइट। टेक वन पेज, लेट्स से यू राइट, जैसे हमने पहला क्वेश्चन जो किया है वही वाला पेज ले सकते हो, उसमें स्पेलिंग एंड ग्रामर चेक कहाँ पे लगाया, और ग्रामर लगाने के बाद उसमें रेड वेवी लाइंस और ग्रीन वेवी लाइंस हट जाएंगी, तो उस पेज का स्क्रीनशॉट भी आप डाल सकते हो, right? So there are two ways of doing this question. Either you can do it from the practical notebook, or you can do it on the computers and then take the screenshot and then put it there. ठीक है? Or again, I'm repeating, if you're not having computers at home, you just write the steps in the ruled page, white page को आप blank छोड़ दो. Whenever you feel like later on, आपको जब भी कभी opportunity मिले उसकी print out लेने की, you can take the print out and then paste. Right? It's not compulsory to paste colorful pictures only. You can take black and white printouts also. Right? It's all on your convenience. आप अपने convenience के हिसाब से देखो. Fine. So this is all what the practical task is about. This is the book you can refer. It is already there in the group, so you can go through this. Okay. Clear to all? Any doubt to anybody?